Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s and I'll show you how you can take screenshot without using physical keys. So we got two methods. The first one, you have to open notification panel and the short screenshot icon you will find right here. When you tap on this icon one time, you will get screenshot here. When you tap on it, you are able to save by tapping on the right upper corner. And also we get the second method. We have to slide with 3 fingers down and the screenshot will be also taken. If you want to activate this second method, you have to go for additional settings, find button shortcuts and go here to take screenshot. As you can see, we have to select slide 3 fingers down, and after that we will be able to make it very easy. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.